Good morning, guys. Good morning. And I am so glad that you are here with me today on this beautiful day. And if you are new to the community, I want to welcome you today to this chosen one spiritual conscious community. And I want to invite everybody who looks to go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell notification so that we can stay connected, so that the YouTube algorithm know that we are in the building. And because some of you are saying that you're not getting your notifications. Okay. All right. Well, please forgive me. I don't know what has been going on this past few weeks. I've been really loading up on some oil of oregano, organic, because I just can't stop sniffling. Okay. So please forgive me. But I want you to understand something, chosen ones, today, that your enemy knew that in order to keep you derailed, they had to keep us all separated. I just want to go on out and say that they said that in order for us to be able to continue to control you, we have to keep the chosen ones, we have to keep them separated. We have to literally take you and scatter you throughout the world. Because if you ever came together, you would change the world. I just want you to know that they want to keep us all separated. They want us to keep us separated in everything that we're doing, chosen ones. And I am here to remind you that we have to stay together. We cannot allow differences that we may have, which is okay. Everybody's not the same. Some of us are in a whole nother part of the world. We have chosen ones that are, in just India and Africa and Australia, just all over the world. We have been scattered. Mainly because of the power that we have. I want you to understand that you were strategically separated so that you could be conquered. But I just wanted to reach out here and let you know that the Lord told me to tell you, baby, that you're more than a conqueror. As a matter of fact, God said, yeah, you may have separated the chosen ones, but this whole phenomenon with this whole internet thing that has been going on, people traveling into space, got them reconnected. And I want you to know that even though you're far away from me, spiritually, you're right here with me. I want you to know that that next chosen one that's on the opposite end of the world, spiritually, is connected with you. Because we understand that we are spiritual beings, which means that our energy can go outside of the body and connect with other chosen ones. So even though they did everything in their power to physically disconnect us, I want you to know that spiritually we are connected. I want you to know, chosen ones, that I love you dearly, every one of you, that you all have very important things that you're doing in this dimension. Some of you are still awakening to those different things. We're all on different levels when it comes to our walk with the infinite one, with our God. But I want you to understand that we are all divinely connected. And because we are divinely connected, that it's nothing that can stop us from fulfilling purpose. When we can get together on one accord and understand that we all are divinely connected, we all need each other, we will begin to change things faster. They thought that they could separate us to keep us apart. Physically, you could. But spiritually, we are together. I want you to think about that today. Spiritually, we are together. I want to hear one thing, chosen ones, one thing in the comments that you have, that you can contribute to the whole chosen ones throughout the world. Because a lot of times we get so consumed with our day-to-day tasks, which was also strategically done to keep your mind from being still enough to realize who you are, that we never look within to see what we're really here to do, or what we really can contribute to one another. So I would love to hear in the comments something that you can contribute to the chosen one community. Something that you feel that God has touched your heart to contribute to the world. Because you are beautiful people, beautiful souls. And I would love to hear it. Because baby, they may have scattered us, but spiritually, we connected. They connected us. And I am so glad that you're in my life because I always believe in you. Mwah. Peace. Bye now.